Can I use a gift card on DoorDash? DoorDash accepts its own branded gift cards for payment, which can be redeemed through the app or website by entering the code in the gift card section. These cards apply to food, fees, and tips. Visa, MasterCard, and American Express gift cards are also accepted if added as a payment method. Restaurant-specific gift cards like those from Chili's or Cheesecake Factory are not valid on DoorDash, even if the restaurant is listed on the platform. Users report that redemption is straightforward, but some experience issues with partial payments or balance errors. A backup payment method is often required to cover any remaining charges. The system does not support splitting payments between multiple gift cards in a single transaction. Reviews suggest checking the balance beforehand and ensuring the card is activated to avoid checkout problems. Despite limitations, DoorDash gift cards remain a popular option for gifting food delivery,